What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm not going to be showing you any application or showing you how to mine every 24 hours, but I'm going to be talking about 3 major ways you can make money online with or without any qualification. So if you're interested in knowing how this works, stick to this video and pay attention to every details till the end. Alright guys, the year has once again come to an end and I have 2 questions for you. 1. How have you been making money online? 2. Do you really want to make money online? For the first question, please drop your responses in the comment section and share with us how you've been making money online. If your answer to the second question is no, then I see no reason for you clicking on this video in the first place. But if your answer to the question is yes, then you should pay attention to every details in this video because this is going to be the beginning of your making money journey. So there is so many ways of making money online these days with a smartphone and internet connection with or without any qualifications. But in this video, I'll talk about 3 major ways you can make money online. Now let's start with number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is a type of self-employment where you need to deliver your services on a contract or project basis. As a freelancer, you can make use of your personal skills, do something you know you're good at and it has lots of demands, e.g. like writing books, graphic designing, website and application development, script translation, video editing, photography and so on, and you can get paid for your services. So if you don't have any skills right now, get yourself equipped right away with one. In these few steps, you can start a freelancer journey by learning a skill. That's the first one. Secondly, you develop the skill, and the third one is to monetize this skill. After monetizing the skill, you are going to be getting paid from these skills. So there are some sites that offer windows for freelancers where they can post their jobs to get ideal clients. You see, sites like Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, People Per Hour and so on. There are so many sites. Now if you are interested in becoming a freelancer, you should quickly smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign, because I have lots of videos coming up for you on this channel showing you step by step how to build a career online and start earning as a freelancer. Number 2, now we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing or drop shipping. Now this is the common way of making money online without nothing, without a dime. You can start making money online with affiliate marketing or drop shipping. It doesn't require any qualification, any experience or any documents, nothing. All you need to do is get a niche, get the product of that niche and promote it online using your audience on social media platforms. Once someone buys the product through your link, you will get a commission from the company of that product. Yes, it sounds so simple but requires some hard work. Let me say some smart work. The difference between affiliate marketing and dropshipping is affiliate marketing is when you are promoting other business brands to help them generate more revenue and you will receive commission in return. While the dropshipping business allows you to sell another company's product under your own brand name. So here are a few steps for you to become an affiliate marketer. Choose a niche you are very comfortable with. You need to evaluate the market, analyze the competitions, research affiliate programs, then create and publish top-notch content. Honestly, content matters a lot in affiliate marketing, so you need to work on your content. There are many sites that offer affiliate programs, sites like ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, Shopify and so on. There are so many sites online. All you need to do is to go online and make your own research. Now the third one, number 3, is trading. Yes, trading. It could be stock market, it could be cryptocurrencies, it could be the forex and so on, so many more. There are so many things to trade in the market, but trading requires knowledge, capital and also involves some risk, but the risk can be managed anyway. It can be managed if only you can make out time to educate yourself on trading and you join mentorship or signal groups. You can make huge sum of money in a very little time, but it comes with huge risk also. Now in these simple steps you can become a trader with just these simple steps I'm going to be telling you right now, which is 1, find a reputable broker. You need to understand trading capital very well. You need to trade demo first, very important. You need to educate yourself, very important. always trade with discipline. Very, very important. Trade currency pairs that suit your strategy. Now, these are the simple steps you can use in becoming a trader. Now, these are the 3 major ways of making money online. I am going to be developing each one of these ways I mentioned in this video, with more videos coming up soon. My 2 questions still remains. Number 1, how have you been making money online? Number 2, do you want to make money online? Please share in the comment section how you've been making money online. If your answer to the second question is yes, then you should quickly destroy the subscribe button and click on the bell sign, because very soon I will be dropping videos where we are going to be learning a skill. We are going to be learning how to develop mobile application without coding. I will also show you how to monetize your app and put it on the Play Store. But before I drop that video, I need you guys to get this channel to 5k subscribers and give this video 200 likes. Then I will drop that video for you guys. So I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.